apartment for rent, pinapaupahang bahay, open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. Bungalow type with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. May sariling metro na kuryente at tubig, nakatiles na ang flooring at bagong pintura. Yes, store, yes, pwedeng magtinda. Yes, kids, yes, pets allowed, and yes, parking. It's inside subdivision, community, and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway, may malapit na school lot market. House apartment for rent para sa mga naghahanap ng bagong malilipatang pinapaupahang bahay. Ito po yung open, bakante pa, and anytime open for viewing. House apartment for rent located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. 7,000 pesos monthly. Yes, house apartment for rent. 7,000 pesos monthly, located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Sa mga interested, kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita ng personal, pwede nyo po itong makita anytime. Kung gusto nyo magpa-assist, pwede rin po kayong mag-PM, tumawag sa aking cellphone number. And sa iba pang mga detalye, ito pong house apartment ay good and maximum sa 6 person number. Sa pets naman po, kahit
Afford naman lakarin.
pwede rin magtinda.
Okay, maganda to, sir.
Pwede rin magkabit ng aircon at kung meron kayong sasakyan, street parking lang po. Maganda yung bahay, maganda yung location, very accessible and very affordable. Ito po yung house apartment for rent, 7,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat at welcome. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita panonood sa aking page. Stay tuned guys. Marami pa tayong units na i-share.
Sakto lang sa kanila.
Kasi hindi lang sila talaga ni Kuya
Ito
Mera.
po yung bedroom, 2
Sa video na lang
bedrooms
natin.
na house apartment sa Dasmariñas City. Walking distance lang sa highway. Ayan, may sariling gate. Pwede po kayo magtindahan dito banda sa kanyang sala. Meron din po itong maayos na CR, magandang kusina, and just budget friendly, very affordable house apartment for rent. 2 bedrooms na, 7,000 pesos monthly. Located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Ayan, para sa mga naghahanap ng housing department for rent, bago malilipat ang pinapaupahang bahay. Ito po yung kusina nitong unit, may built-in cabinets na rin. Ito po yung bakante na pwede nang malipatan kaagad, open anytime for viewing. House apartment for rent, 7,000 pesos monthly. Located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Bungalow type na bahay with 2 bedrooms. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na housing department. Marami pa po akong isi-share sa inyong mga housing department. Stay tuned. Maraming salamat po.